So to fix this problem, now go to your phone menu and try to search for 9news. So when you find it, just tap on it for some while. This is going to pop up. Now tap on app info. After that, tap on notifications. Make sure this notification is still on, which is so important. Now tap on permissions and make sure this is allowed. So after that, go back, tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back, then you tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After that, tap on and make sure you tap on the so you tap on the clear storage to clear it. After that, go back, then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the mobile data and Wi-Fi is still on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store, tap on it, now search for 9news, tap on it and make sure you update the app. So after updating your app or getting the latest updates, what you have to do lastly is to tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart, then you tap on OK, or you tap on reboot, then you tap on OK. It's all the same process. So see you in the next one. Don't forget to share this video, like and also share, like and also subscribe. See you in the next one.